Welcome to a journey into the heart of our oceans. Today we explore the vital role of shark conservation. The seas are not just home to sharks, they are the lifeblood of our planet's ecosystem. Beneath the surface, a delicate balance reigns. Here, in the heart of the marine ecosystem, fish coexist in harmony. This balance is essential for the survival of our oceans and life within. And at the top of this natural hierarchy, we find the apex predators. These majestic creatures play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of our seas. By preying on weaker or diseased individuals, they help control the population of various species, preventing overgrazing of vital habitats like coral reefs and seagrass. Their presence ensures a healthier balance among marine species, supporting biodiversity. Sharks also indirectly aid in carbon sequestration by preserving vital ecosystems such as seagrass meadows, which capture and store carbon dioxide, mitigating climate change. In essence, the conservation of sharks is pivotal in safeguarding the health and sustainability of our oceans. But sadly, our oceans are in peril. At fish markets like these, sharks are relentlessly hunted and overfished, their fins and meat sought after with growing demand. Shark fin trading is unsustainable because of its devastating ecological impact. The practice of shark finning involves catching sharks solely for their fins while discarding the rest of their bodies at sea, often still alive. This wasteful and indiscriminate harvesting disrupts the ocean's delicate balance by depleting shark populations. Sharks, as apex predators, play a crucial role in regulating marine ecosystems. Their decline will lead to a cascading effect affecting the populations of smaller marine species and overall ocean health. Unsustainable fin trading not only threatens shark species with extinction, but also undermines the sustainability of our oceans. Marine protected areas like the one you see here provide a sanctuary for sharks and other marine life. They are the guardians of our oceans. Yet our oceans are still under siege. Plastic pollution in our oceans has profound and detrimental effects. It poses a grave threat to marine life, with animals often ingesting or becoming entangled in the plastic debris. Plastics in the ocean break down into microplastics, contaminating the food chain and potentially impacting human health through seafood consumption. Shark populations are dwindling, and the urgency to act has never been greater. Since the 1970s, some shark populations have experienced a staggering drop of up to 99%. This decline is primarily driven by factors like overfishing, the shark fin trade, habitat degradation, and bycatch. These statistics underscore the urgent need for global conservation efforts to protect these vital predators and restore the health of our oceans. Thankfully, change is happening. Countries worldwide are implementing shark protection laws, and their efforts are paying off. Several countries have demonstrated their commitment to shark conservation by implementing policies and regulations to protect these invaluable marine species. For instance, the United States has enforced the Shark Conservation Act, which mandates the humane release of unintentionally caught sharks and prohibits shark finning. Australia, through the Australian Fisheries Management Authority, has established marine sanctuaries and rigorous management plans to safeguard its shark populations. Similarly, the Bahamas has proclaimed its entire exclusive economic zone as a shark sanctuary, completely banning shark fishing within its waters. These proactive policies not only promote the preservation of shark species, but also contribute to the overall health and sustainability of marine ecosystems. Countries that have implemented protective laws for sharks have witnessed tangible benefits for the shark populations and marine ecosystems. The enforcement of these regulations has led to a decline in shark overfishing, particularly in the case of bans on shark finning. The humane release of unintentionally caught sharks has reduced bycatch, further preserving their numbers. As a result, shark populations in these regions have shown signs of stability and, in some cases, recovery. This, in turn, has positively impacted the health and balance of marine ecosystems, allowing sharks to resume their essential role as top predators, contributing to increased biodiversity and overall ecological resilience. As we wrap up our journey, let's remember that there is hope. Families are now witnessing the wonders of the sea in protected areas, instilling a deep appreciation for nature. We stand at a crossroads, where our choices will determine the fate of these magnificent creatures. There are several simple yet effective ways we can aid in shark conservation in our everyday lives. One of the most impactful actions is to make informed seafood choices by avoiding shark products and supporting sustainable fisheries. Reducing plastic waste is another significant step, since plastic pollution harms sharks and their habitats. Spreading awareness about the importance of shark conservation, supporting organizations dedicated to marine protection, and advocating for policies that protect these vulnerable species are all ways to make a positive difference in preserving our oceans and their inhabitants. Together, we can create a future where our oceans are teeming with life. Join the movement, and let's protect our sharks and the oceans that they call home.